Piyush Joshi joining us on the phone line. He's a political analyst. Mr. Joshi, you're seeing the political fight that's playing out after that startling submission made by the Enforcement Directorate in court today. Enforcement Directorate goes on to say that they sought the diet chart of Arvind Kejriwal. The Chief Minister, who is highly diabetic, is now eating items that could spike his sugar level. His diet includes puri sabzi, his diet includes sweet, his diet includes bananas and mangoes. The BJP says this is sugar scam after liquor scam. Your first reaction?
Well, just give me a minute to understand this whole so-called sugar scam. It makes me feel that we are living in a mockery of a justice and judicial system. And why do I feel so? Because I think Mr. Kejriwal is in Tihar jail. I don't think he is roaming around in the market so that he can pick whatever he wants to eat and then eat it too. He is in the jail. I think there is a jail manual for the provision of the food for all the prisoners, including Mr. Kejriwal. I think there is a jail dietitian which is responsible for taking care of all the diet plan of people like Mr. Kejriwal and others. So I don't think that it is Mr. Kejriwal's responsibility, to eat or not to eat. I think it is the jail's dietitian and nutritionist.
Mr. Kejriwal, I beg your pardon, Mr. Piyush Joshi, Chief Minister Kejriwal is allowed home-cooked food. Now we have Harish Khurana of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us. Mr. Khurana, ED has made some startling claims over Arvind Kejriwal's diet in jail. The ED goes on to say that there are attempts being made by the Chief Minister to create a medical emergency. He's highly diabetic, but he's having food that could spike his sugar levels. Your first reaction?
See, this is another example of a low-level politics of Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. I mean, what kind of politics they are playing in? Just to get a medical emergency, show a medical emergency and play a bechara politics. You are seeking a bail application, trying to do a bail application on the medical ground. This shows what kind of politics you and thinking of what you are. I mean, you are eating mangoes, you are eating sweet as per ED's claim, what they have given in the court. This shows you are deliberately want to increase your sugar level so that you can get a bail from the honorable court and on the health ground. I mean, it's a laughable or it's a sad affair, It's laughable also and a sad affair also. I mean, Tihar jail is under Delhi administration, and Delhi administration themselves was saying that the health conditions are perfectly all right, and after judicial custody in Tihar, the weight has been increased.
Mr. Joshi and Mr. Khurana, please stay with us. We also have Udit Raj of the Congress joining us. Udit Rajji, ED is making a few sensational claims in the court today on the basis of a plea filed by Arvind Kejriwal. The ED goes on to say that Arvind Kejriwal's diet constitutes of food which is not apt for sugar patients and diabetic patients. It goes on to say that he's trying to create a medical emergency to get bail. Your first response?
See, what happened that for ruling party, everything is right, and for opposition, everything is wrong. This is the predicament in current situation. And of course, the doctors are there to examine, they are there to take it to laboratories. But I do believe that ED is not acting as a judicial body. It's like a branch of BJP. So the claim of the ED as far as health of Arvind Kejriwal is not correct, may not be correct. This is what I feel. I have apprehension about the claim made by ED.
All right, so there are questions now that Udit Raj, Mr. Khurana, if you're with us, would you like to respond to Mr. Udit Raj, who goes on to say that the claims by the ED are not in fact the claims by the ED, but it's directly a claim by the BJP, and that's why opposition has apprehensions on anything that the ED says?
See, we all know that the Delhi administration is directly control of administration of Tihar jail. Even Delhi administration, who comes under Arvind Kejriwal, is clearly saying that the health condition of Arvind Kejriwal was perfectly all right. Now, what is the ground that when you're getting a home food and you're deliberately eating mangoes or sweet, it's obvious that your sugar level will go up. I mean, this is a deliberate attempt to get your raising or sugar level. Let the inquiry happen now. Let's do a doctor survey and do a medical inquiry on that.
All right. So Harish Khurana, Udit Raj and Piyush Joshi, thank you so much for joining us. This claim by the ED today triggering another huge round of politics between the Aam Aadmi Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party and constituents of the INDIA bloc. I'd like to go across to my colleague Rame, who's accessed that diet chart, and also what happened in court. All right, we also have Akhilesh Tripathi of the Aam Aadmi Party who's joining us at this point of time. Akhilesh ji, ED का ये कहना है कि Arvind Kejriwal, who is a highly diabetic person, is deliberately having those food items so that his sugar levels could spike up and he could create a medical emergency. ED said this in court. What's your reaction to this?
देखिए, ईडी तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की प्रवक्ता है, उनको पता चल गया कि देश के सभी लोगों को जब ईडी नोटिस देती है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी उसकी सफाई देती है, और जब चुनावी मौसम में ईडी का इस तरीके का पॉलिटिकल बयान देना, ये देश देख रहा है कि किस तरीके से इमरजेंसी लगा के एजेंसियां उसका दुरुपयोग करती है। एक मुख्यमंत्री को उसके बारे में कुछ भी बोल देना। पहले इन्होंने बोल दिया कि जी उनका कोई वजन कम नहीं हुआ है, बाद में स्पष्ट हुआ कि वजन भी कम होने वाले मुख्यमंत्री जी का। तो ईडी क्या कहती है, ईडी 2 साल से तलाश कर रही है। उन्होंने झूठा शराब घोटाला बनाया और जब मनी पता किया गया तो मनी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खाते में पता चलता है 60 करोड़ रुपए मिलते हैं, उन पर कोई कार्रवाई नहीं होती।
त्रिपाठी जी, एक जो डाइट चार्ट आया है, जो डाइट चार्ट जिसके बेसिस पे ईडी ने ये क्लेम किया है, वो तिहाड़ जेल से डाइट चार्ट एक्सेस हुआ है, जिसमें ये लिखा गया है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल इज हैविंग टी विद शुगर, ही इज हैविंग बनानास, ही इज हैविंग स्वीट्स, वो भी 1 से 2 पीस। उनके खाने में पूरी, आलू, सब्जी और ये सारी चीजें दी जा रही है, ये जानते हुए कि वो एक डायबिटिक पेशेंट है। ये डाइट चार्ट के मुताबिक ईडी ने ये क्लेम किया है कोर्ट में।
मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि अभी एक चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री जो जेल में बंद है, दूसरे प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री उनसे मिलने जाते हैं तो एक आम कैदी की तरह उनको मिलवाया जाता है। तो
माफी चाहती हूँ अखिलेश जी, आपको रोकने के लिए हमें यहाँ पे एक ब्रेक लेना होगा, बट यू आर हियरिंग दैट रिएक्शन कमिंग इन फ्रॉम द आम आदमी पार्टी, द बीजेपी, द कांग्रेस एंड द ईडी टू मेकिंग दीज सबमिशंस इन कोर्ट। वील हैव टू टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक हियर ऑन टाइम्स नाउ। वील बी बैक विद मोर न्यूज एंड अपडेट्स।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।